Smart agriculture is changing the game, boosting yields, profits, and sustainability all at once. With 8 billion people today and nearly 10 billion by 2080, feeding the world is a growing challenge. Farmland is shrinking. Healthy soil is vanishing. Water is scarce and farms face labor shortages. The pressure is mounting. Enter smart agriculture. Sensors, drones, GPS, and satellites feed data to artificial intelligence, giving farmers real-time insights to make smarter decisions. Precision farming applies water, seeds, and fertilizer only where needed. Less waste, lower costs, and a smaller environmental footprint make farming smarter and greener. Predictive maintenance keeps machinery running efficiently. GPS-guided tractors, livestock tracking, and optimized scheduling save time and resources, helping farms operate smoothly even under challenging conditions. Farming accounts for up to 29% of greenhouse gas emissions, but initiatives like the European Union's farm-to-fork strategy are paving the way for fair, healthy, and eco-friendly food systems, proving that profit and sustainability can go hand in hand. Smart agriculture isn't just about growing more, it's about growing smarter. With technology, data, and sustainable practices, we can feed the world and protect our planet. Powering sustainability and driving profitability, this is smart agriculture shaping the farms of tomorrow. To learn more, check out our website.